Signs that cancer is growing in your body. This article is submitted by a party, Dr. Aaron Tabor, MD. If you are at higher risk, you should recognize any small changes in your body. There aren't many awareness campaigns for some types of cancer, but I have compiled a list of signs and symptoms that you need to know. Some symptoms are cancer-specific, while others are universal signs. Lumps are one of the most universal of all cancer symptoms. If you feel a lump that does not belong, have it checked out. Lumps can be found during your routine shower. Soap yourself down and run your fingers over your body. If you find something out of place, don't panic. Some lumps are benign, but if a lump has grown or changed, it may be a sign of cancer. If you are urinating more frequently, your body may be trying to warn you of a problem. Frequent urination is a symptom of some other health issues, such as diabetes. However, if the urination is painful, that is a signal that something is wrong. Consult your doctor because prostate or bladder cancer are also warned by changes in urination. One of the most commonly overlooked symptoms of cancer is changes in bowel movements. If you experience bouts of diarrhea and constipation, your body may be warning you of a serious problem. Pay attention to your stool size. If you have persistent pain in the abdominal area, you need to visit your physician. Indigestion is a symptom of a variety of health issues, but it can be a symptom of cancer. If you are suffering from heartburn or pain after eating, your body may be warning you about upper digestive tract cancer. Difficulty swallowing and constant stomach pain are additional signs. If you're eating too many antacids, you might want to be checked out. Sores that don't belong may be easily overlooked as possible cancer symptoms. However, skin cancer and oral cancer are often diagnosed from the sores. Sores on the genital area should especially not be overlooked. Cancer of the genital area is often diagnosed when a person has a sore checked out. If you aren't dieting and you're losing weight, you might want to be checked for cancer. Cancer steals the nutrients and your body starts shedding pounds. If you lose more than 10 pounds of weight, you really need to be seen by your physician. Cancers that steal your weight include stomach, pancreas, lung, or esophagus cancers. If you're not paying attention to your body, you might not notice the weight loss or the frequency of the indigestion. Heeding these simple warning signs could save your life. Cancer impacts all parts of the body, and noticing subtle body changes right away could be the difference between living and dying. Catching cancer early increases your chances of survival. If you find yourself running fever and you don't know why, it could be a sign that your body is fighting off cancer. If cancer spreads from its origination point in the body, your body starts triggering the fever alert. Cancer causes the immune system to break down and infection invades. Fever is a beginning sign of lymphoma or leukemia. Fatigue is another symptom of cancer that is often overlooked. Fatigue is common in individuals who are affected with leukemia or other cancers of the blood. Your body becomes exhausted when you lose blood too. Colon cancer causes blood loss, and an early symptom of this particular cancer is fatigue. If you're feeling extremely tired, you might want to go to the doctor. Pain can be a symptom of cancer. If you're hurting for no apparent reason, you should be checked out. If you're injured and hurting, this is a normal type of pain that will subside with rest. If you are continually hurting and it does not go away, your body could be warning you. Excessive headaches, stomach pains, or bone pains can be indicative of cancer. Pay attention to your body and heed this warning sign by going to the doctor. If you're experiencing pain, fever, fatigue, you need to be checked out because continuing with these flu-like symptoms could endanger your life. If it isn't flu season, your body might be under attack from cancer. If you're paying attention to your symptoms, you can catch cancer early. Early treatment extends the probability that you will survive. If your skin changes, you might have cancer. Be aware of your skin's color. If you appear to have jaundice, your liver might be affected. If you're itchy, your body might be hiding cancer inside. Some cancers produce substances that cause you to itch. If your skin turns red or yellow, be sure to see a doctor immediately. Blood in the urine is another sign that should not be ignored. If you spot blood in your urine, you may have an infection or cancer. It may be a sign of either prostate cancer or bladder cancer. Changes such as urinary leaks or the inability to urinate are important warning signs to notice. Bleeding moles are another sign of cancer. If the mole bleeds, changes shape or size, rush to the doctor. These type of sores can be revealing the cancer beneath them. Skin is the largest organ of the body, and it too can be attacked by cancer cells. Stick out your tongue to check for this symptom. If your tongue appears to have white patches, you might be able to catch mouth cancer early. People who smoke or chew tobacco most often have the leukoplakia. If the leukoplakia is caught early, cancer can be stopped before it starts. If you see a white patch on your cheeks or tongue, go directly to the doctor. Bleeding is never a good symptom to have. If you bleed from the nipple, you might have breast cancer. If you're bleeding abnormally from the vaginal area, you might have cervical cancer or endometrial cancer. Coughing up blood indicates a lung problem. Blood in the stool could be a cancer indicator as well. Difficulty swallowing is a symptom that you should recognize as a potential for cancer. Tumors could be blocking the throat or esophagus. If you feel that food is sticking to the throat, go be checked out. This isn't normal, and your body could be telling you about a cancer of the esophagus or stomach. Freckles are usually harmless aberrations on the skin. However, if your freckles change, you might have a cancer problem. If moles or warts change color or shape, have them looked at immediately. These indicate melanoma. Squamous cell carcinoma appears to be a wart or an open sore with a crusty surface. Coughing is another sign of lung cancer. If you are coughing continuously, the body has a problem. It could be a result of allergies, but if the cough continues and is a productive cough, you need to be seen by a physician. Shortness of breath and chest pain are also symptoms that tag along with the chronic cough of cancer. Chronic acid reflux can be a sign of esophageal cancer. If you are able to report the acid reflux to the doctor early, you can catch the silent cancer before it has had time to grow. The lining of the esophagus is fragile, and exposure to stomach acid causes Barrett's esophagus, a precancerous condition. Don't overlook the acid reflux, it could be serious. Breathing problems, such as shortness of breath, are not normal. If you can't walk far without feeling winded, you need to be checked out by a doctor. Lung damage can be done by cancer. Breast cancer and bowel cancer often spread to the lungs. Unexplained night sweats are sometimes symptoms of cancer that are overlooked. It seems harmless enough to wake up sweaty, but it could be your body's way of warning you that cancer is growing. Don't overlook night sweats unless you're going through menopause. If you don't have a broken air conditioner to cause the sweating at night, go directly to the doctor. Bruises that are unexplained are important warning signs. If you don't remember bumping into furniture or falling down, your body is leaking blood and causing a bruise. Bruises can be a warning sign of cancer. Be sure to have these unexpected bruises checked by a physician. Joint pain is sometimes common when you have overused or overextended a joint. However, joint pain without cause is not normal. If you're experiencing unexplained joint pain, go to the doctor quickly. Your body might be warning you about cancer. Some cancers don't have warning signs, but newly diagnosed cancers can sometimes be cured. Cancer is one of the most common causes of death. If you pay attention to the warning signs, you can extend your life. If you have risk factors such as smoking or high sun exposure, you really need to be on guard against cancer. Back pain, pelvic pain, and bloating can combine to warn you of ovarian cancer. If you're having these symptoms, you might want to be checked quickly. Ovarian cancer is difficult to treat and difficult to diagnose without heeding these symptoms. Knowing these classic symptoms could save your life. Classic symptoms of cancer are easily overlooked because by themselves, they can be harmless and annoying. However, sometimes these harmless symptoms reveal underlying conditions that can be deadly if left untreated. It's best to err on the side of caution and be checked out rather than letting it go and finding out you have a serious problem later. Be proactive. Your doctor won't mind if you're wrong. I hope this note was useful and helps save lives. Remember to have yearly health checkups and to see your doctor earlier if you have possible signs of cancer. Please take 2 seconds to share and forward this cancer information to your family and friends. Let's keep everyone battling cancer and other diseases in our prayers.
Please don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive everything that's new.